Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa na another reading, and this is for the sign of Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aries at mga bago po nating viewers. Tingnan po natin kung ano yung mensahe o enerhiya na mababasa po natin ngayon para kay Aries. We have the Magician, the Five of Cups, the Five of Swords, the Five of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. Bottom is the Sun. Okay, Aries, we have 3 fives, 5 cups, 5 of swords, and 5 of wands. So 555, it's something that is requiring change, pagbabago. Now, here, the Sun, of course, this is an energy coming from a Leo. You wanted happiness, no? Gusto mo ng pagbabago na magdudulot ng kaligayahan, magdudulot ng tagumpay, magdudulot ng kaginhawahan, everything that you wish for. You wanted it, Aries. And dadating ito unexpectedly with the Tower. Hindi mo ina-expect talaga. Hindi mo iniisip o magugulat ka na lang, masyasyak ka na dadating pala yung kaligayahan na to, which is the 10 of Cups. No? See how beautiful the cards? Dadating yung kaligayahan na hinahanap mo. Nang hindi mo akalain. Now, with the Magician, this is an energy coming from a Gemini or a Virgo. Binigyan kasi tayo ng lahat ng ating kailangan ni God. No, we are all blessed na magamit ito. These are the tools that I'm saying. Of course, meron tayong kapasidad to earn money, meron tayong kapasidad to express ourselves creatively, to do what we wanted to do. We have given the gift of knowledge, with our thinking, with our logic, with communicating, pagsasalita, hindi lang paggalaw. Ito rin yung binigyan tayo ng kapasidad para magmahal, to feel, to use our emotions. Lahat ito, itong 4 na elemento na binanggit ko sa inyo, ito yung kailangan kasi natin para umangat tayo sa buhay, para matupad natin yung dapat nating tuparin o gusto nating matupad o ating pinapangarap. Kaya kung wala tayong rason para hindi matupad yun, hindi lang natin siguro alam paano gamitin itong mga tools na to, yung blessings na binigay sa atin, yung mga ating sandata na binigay sa atin ni God para matupad lahat ng ating pangarap. Either hindi tayo aware o hindi pa natin dinidevelop sa ating sarili para magamit natin to its maximum o to its fullest, no? Kasi minsan, 'di ba, lately meron lang tayong huli na, yung kailan ka pa tumanda, yung kasabihan nila na kailan ka pa tumanda, tsaka mo na lang nalaman. Yun eh. Minsan you discover things that you're capable of doing when you got old. Sabihin natin, nung nag-start ka na mag-retire, na doon mo lang na-discover na, pwede pala akong maging vlogger. Pwede rin ako mag-TikTok. Stuff like that. Kasi kung isipin mo, I'm of age already. I should be enjoying life. But this is what I enjoy, kahit na sabihin natin na may edad na ako, but I can dance, I can express myself creatively, I can put up a good content, yung mga ganon. Nadidiscover natin on a later part na ng buhay natin. Maybe because we've been busy doing other things nung bata-bata pa tayo. Which is not bad. Kasi kung gaba, it just balances your life. But of course, sa mga listeners natin na bata-bata pa, you are being advised now na, think it over. Gamitin mo. Alamin mo. Know what you have. Alamin mo yung talent mo. Alamin mo kung anong gusto mong gawin at this early age. Para you won't have any regrets, at all sa iyong buhay with the 5 of Cups. Kasi ang pinakamahirap dyan is of course yung nire-regret mo na bakit hindi ko pa ginawa noon. Alam mo yun, yung panghihinayang. Bakit mo, inaiisip mong sana hindi ko na waste yung time, hindi ko na waste yung pagkakataon, yung opportunity, noon. Sana ginawa ko na noon. But things, you don't know that. Merong mga pangyayari kasi sa buhay natin na we are being camouflaged, na natatakluban yung ating isipan at ating sensya para alamin yung dapat nating gawin. Kaya nga, it is really a blessing now that you get to be aware of this. Para nga walang gulo, walang conflict, walang gulo, you won't feel yung minsan na there's so much competition, na nahihirapan ka na, nasasaktan ka na. Kasi you know how to play your game. Alam mo kung paano iikot yung sarili mo sa daloy ng buhay. And if you got through that, you'll be a happy person. Sabi nga nila, happy man. This is the Queen of Wands. Magiging masaya ka because matagumpay ka because you know how to express yourself. You know how determined you are. You know how creative you are. Just expressing yourself na, okay, dito ako magaling so dito ako mag-excel. Dito ko pakikita kung saan ako magaling. And I know I will be successful. Alam ko magiging matagumpay ako. And I will be very happy. Matatanggap ko yung kaligayahan na yun. And this jump, it's the Star. Justice. The 10 of Cups. And the Tower. One more. The Ace of Wands. Bottom is the Ace of Cups. Okay, Aries, so alam mo yung meron kang ina-anticipate na panibagong pag-umpisa sa pag-ibig. Ace of Cups, there is something that is coming that would stir up a new beginning in love. Kasi kung yung dati, nagkaroon ka ng heartache sa mga past experience mo, whatever this is, now, being a single person and having it all, being independent, financially secure, itong once na-reach mo tong status na to, somebody will come in to offer love. Okay, Aries? Somebody will come in to offer love. This is the Knight of Cups. Energy coming from a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Baka meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. Okay, so yung new love na to, ina-expect mo kasi alam mo nagkaroon ka ng heartache before, pero nagsumikap ka, you focus on yourself, and once you got over, or once you have na-overcome mo tong pain na to and you really establish yourself, may mag-o-offer ng love. Okay? Now, itong sinasabi natin na you're given all these tools o kasangkapan para magawa mo lahat, no? Because you're wishing for it. Wini-wish mo to. This is an energy coming from an Aquarius. You wish for it. Sabi mo kay God, ito yung gusto ko po. Ibigay niyo po sa akin, ipagkaloob niyo po sa akin. Bless me with this, dear God. Because you don't want any regrets, no? You don't want any regrets at all. You wanted something that is balanced, something that is truly, that would make you equal to everything. Yung tama lang, balanse. Ayaw mo ng depression. You don't want any sadness or depression or paghihinayang. You want things to be balanced. And if this is something to do with a relationship, you wanted na magkaroon o mauwi yung relationship niyo to marriage. No? Kasi ayaw mo ng you don't want any parang having second thoughts or conflicts sa iyong pag-iisip because you wanted the happiness. You wanted this 10 of cups. And that's very clear. Hindi mo kailangang guluhin ang pag-iisip mo para alamin o sabihin sa sarili mo na gusto ko maging masaya. I want to be happy. No? We all want to be happy. And you don't want any more conflict. Ayaw mo ng gulo. Ayaw mo ng intriga. Ayaw mo ng marites. Ayaw mo ng mga chika dito, chika doon. Ayaw mo yun. And ito is really something na hindi mo inaasahan. Minsan kasi may mga dumadating sa buhay natin na kung gaba parang dagok, no? Just for you to be aware again na parang, hoy, magising-gising ka. Kaya nilalagay itong conflict na to sa'yo. Hindi mo ina-expect na magkakaroon. But you will get over this as the winner with the Queen of Wands. You will rise above everything itong mga gulo na to o itong confusion or yung panghihinayang, yung pagkakaroon ng kaguluhan. You will rise above that and be the Queen of Wands. You will be expressing yourself, no? Papakita mo, ibibigyan mo talaga na action ito. Hindi ka lang tatahimik diyan at alam mo yung magmumukmuk. Hindi, gagawa ka ng action. You will do everything in your power to remove all of this negativity. And that will give you this new beginning. Ace of Wands, a new beginning, action. No? You have two aces. Ace of Wands and the Ace of Cups. Lalo na pagdating sa pag-ibig, may action ka. No? Hindi ka papayag, Aries, na ganyan-ganyan lang. Gagalaw at gagalaw ka. Ano pa po yung message for Aries? We have loneliness. I know that I am never alone. Yes. Hindi ka nag-iisa, Aries. Denial. I acknowledge my fear, but I replace it with the insight of awareness. Huwag ka maging in denial, no? Alam mo yung, lahat tayo may takot. Pero hindi yan totoo. Lagi ko sinasabi to. Fear is just in our head. Nasa isip lang natin yan. Tayo yung nagkikreate ng takot na yun. Alsin mo yan sa isipan mo. No? Be aware na this is just in your mind. Grief. I understand that losing something is an opportunity to appreciate it. Okay, so yung huwag kang malungkot, no? Kung bakit nawala yung isang bagay. Kasi ito yung oportunidad na binibigay sa'yo para ma-appreciate mo kung ano yung nawala. Whatever that is, yung nawala sa'yo. It could be a person, money, career, position, something that, a physical thing, bagay, property, kotse, pera, alahas, whatever, damit, whatever. Huwag kang malungkot kasi opportunity yung para ma-appreciate mo. I mean, binigay ito sa'yo para ma-enjoy mo siya for a period. Inalis to sa'yo kasi hindi mo na kailangan. it is not anymore needed in your life. It means that you have to move forward, and there will be another